Today we are reviewing our most used kitchen appliance. This is the Breville Sous Chef Pro, and this is the 16 cup.
We use this thing so much, and we cannot wait to tell you all the things we love, some things maybe they could improve, and how to make the world's best hummus.
Starting with the build quality, this has a really nice kind of brushed stainless steel look to it, and the motor is very powerful. This is a 1200 watt motor, so it feels very heavy and it's not going anywhere on your counter, especially when you're processing foods. You don't have to worry about it shaking around.
So right out of the box, you do have so many different attachments. You do have the regular attachment most people are familiar with that goes in the large one. You have a mixing attachment like this, and then you have a similar smaller one for the smaller size if you do want to make a smaller size, which we'll be making with our hummus today. And then you do have other blades that come with them. We don't have them handy right now, but we have a grater that goes inside and a slicer or anything like that if you're trying to make salsas or if you're trying to slice vegetables really thinly.
As with most food processors, this is a very simple buttons and directions. So you've got your power button and that turns it on. You've got your start, which will fully continuously turn the food processor on, and then you can also pulse your vegetables or things like that. And then I like how it has an LCD screen over here that you can actually increase the time to put, once you start it on a timer. I also like that they have easy to use instructions on the actual machine itself, so it tells you which way to align the handle when you want to actually put the cup on. So you just align it this way and then you twist it, and now it's locked into place.
So to use the large cup, all you have to do is place this on and click it down and you're good to go. But today we're going to be making a small hummus, so the convenience of having this little one is really handy. So all you do is you put that on just like the same thing and you are good to go.
So now that we have all of our hummus ingredients ready to go in the small cup, and just for reference, by the way, the small cup is 2.5 cups, so it makes it really handy to make smaller items. Now we need to put the lid on, and you need to align it as with most food processors and lock it in order to be able to start the machine. So you've got your align arrow here, which lines up with this align arrow, and then you just twist it to lock, and now you can start your food processor. So I don't know if you can hear the motor on this, but it is very powerful. It makes it super easy to chop or mix anything with this food processor. It's amazing. So as you can see, it has completely smoothed out this hummus and it is ready to go, and it was the perfect size for making this size of recipe. A couple other things that we love about this food processor that you couldn't really see with the hummus is that it has this really large opening so that you can put vegetables, like full vegetables, in while you are grinding.
Yeah, it means you don't have to chop them up before you chop them up.
And then it also has this nice tamper that you can push things down with. So overall, we will never be buying another type of food processor again.
Yeah, we've had so many in the past and we finally upgraded to this one. It was a little more money, but it has absolutely paid dividends for us.